And I'm here from Log Cabin Leather, and today I'm here to talk about my leather butterfly necklaces, or my leather necklaces in general, and how you can adjust them. A lot of people ask, I say they can adjust from any length, from a choker length down to about here. So today I'm going to show you exactly how that works. So what I'm going to show you with is this. Actually, I have this gift set here, which is for a giveaway I have running now. So I'm actually going to use the necklace from that as the post. So this is a butterfly necklace, and it has these little knots at the end. And so you can adjust it again to put it on. You can make it very long. Let me actually put my necklace here. You can adjust it and make it. Trying to put, it's cold in my basement, so I'm wearing multiple layers and trying to wear things that I can show the different necklines with. And again, I'm not wearing my glasses, so it's hard for me to see if it's straight. So there it is at the longest length. But to adjust it, there's little knots at the end, which again, I'll show you when I take it off. You just have to pull them, and I can make this any length in between. I can keep going. And again, I can't show too many, But so depending on the neckline, are you now a lot of necklaces adjust, especially ones with metal. You can adjust to maybe one or two sizes, lengths, or whatever, but not multiple and anywhere in between. So what's make these unique. And these are nice for people who have metal allergies, like myself, because I could not wear this if this was metal against my neck. Obviously, I have a turtleneck neck on this. That would be fine, but I can keep going, making it right up to about as short as, up to a choker length if you want it to be. So they can adjust. And again, it's kind of scary seeing my face that close. Again, so anywhere in between, which makes them very unique. So again, to adjust it, there's these little knots right here at the end, little knots, and you pull them to shorten it. And again, you can shorten it right up to, as short as it goes. So again, choker length, and you just pull basically to get it longer. So to get it around your neck, pull it longer, then feel for the little knots at the end, and you pull it up close like that. So all my necklaces are on the leather cords, and they do all adjust like that. Like I said, this is part of a giveaway. It also has which you can enter now, which has the earrings that match. This is a little hair clip, which is really cute. Just clips on. And again, obviously I don't have a hairdo to show that. I don't know if that even shows because I can't look at the camera and see it at the same time. So that just is a little clip like that. So that's a nice, easy little barrette for hair clip. And then there's actually a bookmark that I have that is in that design too. So 4 pieces are in my giveaway. That runs to March 7th. So you can enter that on my Facebook page. Or there's a link on YouTube, depending on what and where you're watching this. I do have things on both. So I'd love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook if you want to see more about what I'm doing. I do have a new product launch coming out March 8th. So I'll be going live, hopefully on YouTube and Facebook, to show you the new collection. The new collection is 12 new butterfly sets, never before seen styles. I mean, I've been showing some sneak peeks, but this is a brand new collection for me that will start being available March 8th. It has 12 new butterfly earring sets. You can buy the earrings and the necklaces separate because, like I said, I'm allergic to metal, so I cannot wear earrings. So I do allow people to buy things separately. You save money, of course, if you buy them together. And a whole different design to the necklaces, to the butterfly necklaces and so forth. And that launches March 8th. So I'll be going live at 10 a.m. and again at 6 p.m. to launch a collection and show it to all of you. If you follow me on Facebook or whatever, you can also find links to join my email where you can get discounts and things like that, or the link to join the giveaway and possibly win this beautiful butterfly set which of course can be given as used by one person or can be broken up into multiple gifts. That's going to wrap it up for now. Thank you very much. Have a great day.